Hi, I'm going to show you how Savio's Jira integration works. The main benefit is that your CS and dev teams don't need to bother your devs about the status of a feature that the devs are working on. As the feature moves through the Jira workflow, the status of the feature is updated automatically in Savio. So I'm going to show you how that works. So first things first, we're going to link a Savio feature request to a Jira new feature. We're going to call it Zapier integration. We can search for an existing one, but in this case, we're going to create a new Jira issue. So we've got a new Jira issue. It's called Zapier integration. When we crack it open, we can see that the feature is marked as to do. We can see a web link back to the Savio feature request. So if your devs are ever interested in reading the product feedback, they have it easily at hand directly from Jira. So what you're looking at here is a list of the Jira columns on the Kanban board in Jira. And the way the integration works is when a Jira issue that is linked to a Savio feature request moves to a state, the feature request is updated to whatever we choose here. So in this case, when a Jira issue status changes to do, the Savio feature request is marked as planned. When Jira moves to in progress, Savio moves to in progress. And when the Jira issues move to done, the Savio feature request is marked as shipped. So let's see what that looks like in practice. So we can see here that we have the feature request is marked as under consideration. So we're going to change this to in progress. I come back here, reload the page, and we can see that the status says automatically updated to in progress. If we move this to done, come back and reload, we can see that the feature request has been marked as shipped. One other thing to note is that you can see the status of any linked Jira issues directly here in Savio. So there's no need to go to Jira to understand what's going on with the dev tickets. You can see them right here. So this is a great way for your product and CS teams to not have to bug dev, to trust that the status of the feature request is up to date based on what's going on in Jira. And it's also a good way for your dev team to have access to the product feedback to understand and get more context around why they're building what they're building and what customers actually need.